Hello and welcome back, students. Today we are going to study class 10 mathematics. I am Surajit and you are watching my YouTube channel ECONOMATRIX Day. No drama, no confusion, but only education.
This could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
Now students, today we are going to study chapter 5 Arithmetic Progression of class 10, and this is a continuing class going on, and today's part is part 9. If you have not watched the previous parts, then I would suggest you to watch it, then you will understand this part 9. Okay, and today we are going to solve the last sum, okay, of exercise 5.1. Means last means we have skipped one sum, that is B1. Okay, B1, there are 4 sums are there, Roman 1, 2, 3 and 4, and those 4 sums we are going to solve today. Okay, so let us see what is given in the question. B1, in which of the following situations does the list of numbers involved make an arithmetic progression and why? That means they are asking that whether it is a arithmetic progression or not, okay, and what is the reason. Okay, so first sum, Roman 1, the taxi fare after each kilometer when the fare is rupees 15 for the first kilometer. That means the taxi fare, you are sitting in a taxi or you are going to sit in a taxi, so how much will you pay? That means you are paying the fare, okay, after each kilometer when the fare is rupees 15 for the first kilometer. That means if you sit in the taxi and you go 1 kilometer, you have to pay rupees 15, understanding or no? And rupees 8 for each additional kilometer. That means if you want to go 2 kilometers, then with rupees 15 you have to pay again rupees 8, because 1 kilometer extra you are going. Okay, first 1 kilometer it is rupees 15. Okay, so this is the question. Now we will see whether it is an AP or it is not an AP. Okay, now how we will start? Okay, now we will write answer, okay, and we will write taxi fare for first kilometer. Okay, so for first kilometer it is told only 15 rupees 15 and rupees 8 for each additional kilometer. That means taxi fare for 2 kilometer if you travel, then it will be rupees 15 plus rupees 8. Rupees 8 is for the second kilometer. Okay, so it is coming how much? Rupees 23. Then if you travel 3 kilometers, then it will be what? Rupees 23 plus rupees 8. So how much comes? Rupees 31. Then 4 kilometer, okay, then it will be what? Rupees 31 plus rupees 8. So how much it is? Rupees 39. Okay, now what we have to say whether it is an AP or it is not an AP. You see here, if you think that 15, 23, 31, 39, okay. Now A1, A2, A3, A4. So A2 minus A1, 23 minus 15, it is coming 8, clear now? Then A3 minus A2, 31 minus 23, it is coming 8. A4 minus A3, how much coming? 39 minus 31, 8. So all are coming same. So we can say yes, it is an AP. So what we will write? Yes. Okay. We will say yes. Why? Yes, comma, and then we will write here 15, comma, 23, comma, 31, comma, 39, comma, dot 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 forms an AP. Okay, now you have to write y. Okay, since its succeeding term is obtained. Succeeding means the next one. Okay, 15 succeeding is what? 23. Since its succeeding term is obtained by adding, how much you are adding? By adding 8 to its preceding term. Preceding term. What is the meaning of preceding term? If 23, before 23 is what? 15. So that is called preceding term. The next one is called succeeding term. Previous one is called the preceding term. So with the preceding term, when you are adding 8, you are getting the succeeding term. So I think the first sum B1 Roman 1 you have understood. Now we will move on to the next sum. Okay. Now the next question B1 Roman 2. Okay. The amount of air present in a cylinder. So one cylinder is there. Okay. So you all at home you have cylinder. Okay. If I draw, okay, like this way, cylinder, and like this way the gas is here. Okay, the air is there, any type of cylinder. Clear? Now in this cylinder air is there, so we will take it as air as the volume. Okay, and what it is telling? It is telling that when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air, okay, every time, okay, when the vacuum pump you are removing, it is taking out 1/4 of the air which is present in that cylinder. Okay, then here nothing else is told. So how we will start? Let the volume of the amount of air in the cylinder be V, say. So we are taking the volume as V. Okay, so in the first time, okay, at a time, first time, second time, third time, so how much? Okay, so volume of air present in the cylinder at the first time, so how much it will be? V only. Now second time, now you are putting the vacuum pump. Okay, so again removing it, then the volume will become less. How much less? 1/4. So less means minus 1/4 of which one? The volume. So in the beginning the volume was V. Okay, from there 1/4 will come out. So 1/4 V. So what it becomes? V minus V by 4, and if you subtract 4V minus V, so 3V by 4. Clear? Now third time. So now the volume present is what? 3V by 4. And you are taking out. Again you are putting that vacuum pump and taking out. Okay, so 1/4 3V. Now it is no more V. Now the volume has changed from V to 3V by 4. So it will come out 3V by 4. So what it comes? 3V by 4 minus 3V by 16. So if you do LCM, 16, 4 4s are, and 4 3s are 12, 12V minus 3V. Okay, 16 1s are 1 into 3V, 3V. And what it will come? The 9V by 16. Now if I keep the V separate, then 9 by 16 I can write 3 by 4 square. Okay. Now if you see nicely, this, okay. This is the first one, this is the second one, this is the third one. Like we did one rough. V, then 3V by 4 and then 3 by 4 square V. A1, A2, A3. And if you find out the difference, okay, that is D, you will see the difference between this and this and this are not same. Now, why the difference is not same? Let us see 3V by 4 minus V. Okay, if you do LCM, you will get 3V minus 4V and you are getting minus V by 4. Okay, then next one, this one means 9V by 16. 9V by 16 minus 3V by 4. If you do the difference, if you find out the difference, so 9V minus 4, 12V. So what you get? Minus 3V by 16. So you can see the differences are not coming same. If differences are not coming same, they are not in AP. So what I will write? No. Okay. V, comma, next one is what? 3V by 4, comma, 3 by 4 square V, comma, dot, 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 does not form an AP. They does not form an AP. Clear? Here 3 by 4 square, instead of 3 by 4 square, I wrote directly 9V by 16 because 3 by 4 square means 9 by 16. That's why, for doing the calculation quickly. Okay. So I think you have understood question number Roman 2, B1, Roman 2. Now we will move on to the next sum. Okay. Now question number B1, Roman 3. Let us see what they are asking. The cost of digging a well. Well is there. Okay. And to dig that well, after every meter of digging, okay, when it costs rupees 150 for the first meter, that means when you are digging the well, okay, when you are taking out the earth, okay, because when you are making digging a well, you have to take out the earth, and for the first meter you have to pay rupees 150, okay, and rises rupees 50 for each subsequent meter. Then again 1 meter more, then that time it will be increased 50 rupees more. Okay, so how we will solve the sum? Answer. Okay, so cost of digging, we have to find out the cost of digging for first meter. It is how much? Rupees 150. Then second meter, it will be how much? For the second meter, rupees 150, one additional, okay, that means 2 meters, okay, you are digging, so rupees 50. So how much you are getting? Rupees 200. Third meter, okay, that means third meter means what? First meter, second meter and 3, that means 3 meters, total 3 meters if you want to dig. So it will be how much? Rupees 200 plus rupees 50. So rupees 250. Okay, like this way. Now you can see, or if I want to find out one more, fourth meter. So it will be rupees 250 plus rupees 50. So how much comes? Rupees 300. Okay. Now you see the numbers. If I do here 150, 200, 250, 300. So 200 minus 150, so it is coming 50. 250 minus 200, it is coming 50. 300 minus 250, it is coming 50. So all the differences are coming same. So it is an AP. So what you will write? Yes, 150, 200, 250, 300, forms an AP. Since, why? Since the succeeding term is obtained by adding, how much you are adding? 50 to its which term? Preceding term. Clear? That means you are getting the succeeding term by adding 50 to the preceding term. So that's why it is forming an AP. Clear? And why it is forming an AP, I have shown you. Okay, this is what? A1, A2, A3, A4. Clear? Now we will move on to the next sum. Okay, now we will solve Roman 4, the last sum of exercise 5.1. Now those who are new in this channel, I would like to request them to please give a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, because your subscription really motivates me to make more such videos. And don't forget to press the all notification bell, so that whenever I upload such videos, you will get the notifications first. Okay, now let us come back. The fourth one, Roman 4, the amount of money, they are talking about the amount of money in the account every year. Okay, when rupees 10,000 is deposited at compound interest at 8% per annum. So you are depositing 10,000 rupees. This is a sum of class 8. Okay, interest, compound interest sum. Okay, so how to solve it? Rupees 10,000 will be the principal, rupees 10,000. Okay, understanding or no? And this is the rate of interest. So rate of interest will be 8% per annum. Okay, so n can be 1, n can be 2 also, n can be 3 also, ... like this one. Okay, so what will be the amount every year? What will be the amount? Now amount formula is there. We know that amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power n. So this is the formula. Some of them write here small r also, small r. Okay, I wrote capital R. Okay, now amount. Okay, amount after 1 year. Okay, 1 or first year, after first year. So how much it will be? Amount after first year. You are depositing 10,000 rupees. After first year, it will become what? 10,000, 1 plus, here what you will write? 8 by 100, and here will be 1. Okay, and to the power 1 we don't write only. Okay, so we will not write to the power 1. Okay, then amount after second year, that means 2 years. So that time it will be what? 10,000, 1 plus 8 by 100 to the power 2. So this one 2 to you to write. Okay, then next amount after third year. Okay, 10,000, 1 plus 8 by 100 to the power 3. So here also, if you see nicely, these are the three things: 10,000, 1 plus 8 by 100, comma 10,000, 1 plus 8 by 100 to to the power 2, and another one is 10,000 1 plus 8 by 100 to the power 3. Okay, so this is A1, this is A1, this is A2, this is A3. Now here also, if you subtract A2 minus A1, you will get something. Okay, if you subtract A3 minus A2, you will get. Now these two values are not same. Understanding or no? Why these two values are not same? Because you are finding out compound interest. Okay, now when you are finding out compound interest, then after 1 year you deposited 10,000 rupees. After 1 year the amount changes. Okay, on that changed amount, again the compound interest, again the 8% will be charged. Okay, on that revised amount. Okay, so that's why the differences will not be same. Clear? No? So what you will write? No. 10,000 1 plus 8 by 100, comma 10,000 1 plus 8 by 100 to the power 2, comma 10,000 1 plus 8 by 100 to the power 3, comma dot dot dot, does not form an AP. Now you will be thinking, sir, how we will say? I told you, because it is not, if it was simple interest, then another thing. It is compound interest. Okay, you deposited 10,000 rupees. So after 1 year, it will increase. Okay, now on that increased amount, again 8% will be charged. Okay, so again the compound interest will increase. Okay, so every year the compound interest is more. Okay, that means what compound interest you got in the first year, the second year, only the second year's compound interest is more than the first year's compound interest. Again, the third year's compound interest is more than the second year, more than the first year. Okay, so that's why here the difference, that is the D, okay, the difference will not come same. Okay, this value will be less than this. In the opposite way, this value will be more than this value. Okay, so that's why it does not form an AP, and we write no. Okay, so I hope you have understood exercise 5.1. all the sums I have done. Now it's your duty to practice again and again, so that you can do the sum in the exam very fast, quickly and correctly. Okay, so thank you for watching my video. Keep smiling, take care, keep practicing. Bye bye.